Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Centana. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys on how to achieve this ombre lip look. It's beginner friendly, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Guys, I already moisturized my lips before applying any product. I'll go in with a brown lip liner and outline my lips, starting off with the bottom lip. Always take time while applying the lip liner to keep the line as even as possible. While applying the lip liner, always press your lips together for the lip liner to blend in easily. I'll use my lip liner to shade everything in, and once I'm done shading everything in, I'll press my lips together for my lips to blend. I'll go in with my nude matte lippy and apply it in the middle part of my lips. I'll press my lips together for my lippy to blend in with the lip liner. I'll go in with my lip liner again to outline my lips for it to easily blend in together.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I'll use my finger to gently tap the middle part of my lips for it to blend in. I'll go in with my lip gloss and apply it in the middle part of my lippy. And for it to give me that shiny lippy, and press my lips together for everything to blend in easily. I'll be using Elegant Pro Concealer in shade Fawn to clean up the harsh edges. And that's my final look, guys. I really love this look. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment. Bye bye, see you in the next video.